We are in St. Maarten, and the Carnival Fascination is pulling out. They were in here bright and early this morning, so they will be the first ones to leave. And beside us is Holland America. And it's the new Amsterdam. But there goes the Fascination. They're on their way. The Fascination's not quite as big as we are, but we also are not the biggest Carnival ship. So goodbye to Carnival Fascination. The captain of the ship does not drive the ship out of the harbor. Every harbor departure has a pilot. And you can see the pilot boat there. Let me zoom in. They go out so far, it looks like they're out far enough. And he's turning around now and he's coming back. He has done his job.
The pilot has control of the whole ship. The captain stands aside and lets the pilot maneuver the ship either into or out of port. And the pilot is paid a lot of money because if the ship gets damaged, he is the one that is responsible.
This is in a narrow part of St. Maarten, and that's the Atlantic Ocean on the other side.
Caves dug out from the force of the hurricane winds. Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.